Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is strategic investments and purchases. So look no further than the recent agreements and trade deals with Japan and the EU. So let's start with Japan. Japan has agreed to invest $550 billion into new capital in the US, which is definitely going to spur growth of our businesses. So they're talking about equity, loans, and guarantees for sectors such as semiconductors, critical minerals, shipbuilding, pharma, energy, and autos. So some definitely hot topics. In addition, they're looking at purchasing significant amounts of natural gas and 100 Boeing airplanes. EU has just agreed to a trade deal as well, and they've agreed to purchase $750 billion worth of energy and $600 billion of other items from U.S. companies, in addition to purchasing from the U.S. military. So there is going to be a significant amount of mining, building, and manufacturing occurring in the U.S. So what should we be thinking about? We must build our capabilities quickly, scale up our capabilities, and scale up our talent.